October, and it's around the corner. It's around the corner.
Wow. Are you going to throw up?
Chief, my party is not a secret. My birthday is not a secret. Every year we throw a party. Right now we don't mention it anymore because of the numbers. I cannot control the numbers, and today is the 4th, the 5th. I'm left with 5 days, right? And 5 days. I was born on the 10th, which is on a Wednesday. We're going to do something mad on Wednesday, waiting for the big party on Saturday, which is happening in the most expensive mall in South Africa, which is Sandton, right? Where if you're lucky to be invited, you'll see it for yourself. Even the people that attend Genius, even the dressing itself, it tells you that, this is no longer a party. People, they actually celebrate, my life. They celebrate Genius life. People, they fly from all over in the world to come and celebrate with the Genius. What I say, what I can only say with, when someone has worked, let them enjoy their own way. I have a problem with people who wants to come and, get concerned or worried about how someone is spending his or her money. When it was the time of poverty, nobody came and say, hey, come on, you're in the long lane, come here, let me show you life. No one came even a day. Now there is money. They know how to come and tell me, no, don't. If someone with money, you choose to go and give it to the less privileged, that's your choice. You choose to go and spend the money with your girlfriends, that's you. You choose to look after your friends, that's you. You choose to look after whoever, that's you, right? Once you've made the money, spend it the way that makes you happy. Like what I've said, it's all about happiness, right? Some people, I'll tell you, they'll fly all the way from New York, first class, to come and do hunting. That's what excites him. Some people, they fly all the way from here